The history of the expression of three-dimensional structure in art can be traced from the use of occlusion in Palaeolithic cave paintings, through the use of shadow in classical art to the development of perspective during the Renaissance. However, the history of the use of stereoscopic techniques is controversial. Hi guys, I hope you are doing well and doing some productive work in this lockdown situation. Today, I will tell you about how to draw a hole in the paper. I made a sketch by making random straight lines which make a figure comparable to blowing star. Then I made a cross below the blowing star, which will be the reference to our perspective. Then I drew straight lines which move towards the cross and the line stops moving inside the blowing star. Then I added different tones to each block. I added a light tone to one block and a darker one to the block next to it. And now I will add different tones in each block. Note that I added dark tones in the extreme edges of the blowing star, and then smudge the different tones in each block with an earbud. You can also use your fingers to smudge the different tones. Now we can finally add the darkest tone in the middle of the hole, so it can be visible that there is nothing in that hole. Now that we are done with adding different tones, smudging the different tones, and adding the darkest spot in the drawing, you can now do the finishing part and rub off the extra pencil marks on the paper. And now you can move the camera to an angle where the 2D drawings will now look like it is real in that perspective. Thank you for watching the video until the end. I will be posting more such videos. Stay tuned.